Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our August Allure box, so let's get into it. Check it out. Allure Beauty Box. I will put links below. I will put the link to the Allure Beauty Box, and I will also put an Amazon link because I purchased mine and have for years through Amazon, because you can see what you're going to get first and you can cancel it if you don't want it. And generally I get mine quicker than I did when I had it through Allure. But either way, it's been a really good box lately. It is $23. That's what it looks like when we get it open. And you will have 3 full-size products. I think they say more than $100 in value. That is what our paperwork looks like, and that is what we have when we pull back the paper. Okay, no cheating. Right on top, we have a bonus, and it's Good Fortune by Viktor and Rolf. That is what it looks like. I don't think that I have smelled this before. We're gonna go ahead and give this a spray. We'll spray something, not me. I will spray my notes on my silver swag box, and we will see if we like it. They haven't really given us any information because it's our bonus item. But I like the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. I love it. Oh, that's nice. It smells very much. It puts me very much in the mind of the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb, but it's a little bit heavier. Is that the word I want? I'm so good at explaining perfumes, you guys know. It's kind of heavy. It's a little earthier. I make this reference a lot because it's one of the first perfumes that really kind of did it for me. It's got that Terry Mugler feel of the Angel, where it's light, but there's also that heavy, almost like caramel scent underneath. Let's see if it tells us anything about its notes. Oh, it tells us a lot, I think. The top is Jasmine Super Infusion. The middle is Madagascar Vanilla. And the bottom is Fennel Gentian Flower Alchemy. I don't even know what that means. So yeah, nailed it. Think floral, but seductive. You know, that darker seductive. Okay, I'm gonna quit. What I'm gonna do with that is pass it along for my mom to try because she loved the Terry Mugler Angel, and it has that same feel to me. If you've smelled it, let me know what you think. First out, we have Tula. It is the Tula So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Let me check it out because usually the Tula products tend to have licorice root in them. Well, let me show you first. That is what it looks like. Now, let's read the box. There is not licorice in it. However, there is lactic acid, papaya, and pineapple high enough in the ingredients that I cannot use this. I will set it aside for a giveaway, and we'll do that really soon. I have been doing them lately, and I love passing this stuff along. I just love that it's not piling up anymore. I'm actually getting it out of here. The paperwork on this says, this delightful sugar scrub has won an Allure Best of Beauty Award because it's great for exfoliating all skin types, even sensitive ones. And as a bonus, it smells like a day at the beach. The sugar crystals melt away as you exfoliate, leaving behind smoother, softer skin, and with regular use, your complexion will look more radiant, your pores may even seem to shrink, and it has a $32 value. If you've had sensitive skin and you've tried this, how about letting me know how it went for you? Next out, we have TYT Brow Gel in Clear. Hope I can hear. That is what that looks like. Let's take it out. I love clear brow gels, and I throw them away probably sooner than you have to because I do my brow pencil first and then I use them, and after a while, it doesn't take very long before they don't look fantastic. And since I get them in the boxes at that point, oh, good call. Since I get them in the boxes at that point, I usually move on to a new one. A lot of times the bottoms are clear so you can see the ugliness. Yeah, they were smart. They covered theirs up with their packaging. This says, a few swipes of this clear gel is just the thing for setting and shaping your brows after you've filled them in, which in turn can make brows look fuller. It also works wonders on its own. Because it's transparent, you can make your brows look thicker without seeming drawn on, and you never have to wonder if you found the right shade. Brushing up your brows with the clear gel makes you look awake and polished, and your eyes look more open. Yes, but I also look a little silly when I have them all going up. But an extra thing that you can do with this is, and I've talked about my hair breakage over the last few months and it's getting so much better, but when it was at its worst, I would take this with the little baby hairs that you get up front and just pull them down, and I really like the way it looked, especially if I was pulling my hair back at all. I'd really want to lay down those baby hairs. These are perfect for that. Next out, we have, ooh, Biossance Squalene Omega Repair Cream. Face cream that deeply moisturizes. Oh, I hope I can use this. It's a nice trial size. I always want to try the Biossance products. I think I used once the rosehip oil and I just ran out of it and I just never replaced it, but I think I like that as I recall. That is what the bottle looks like. The paperwork says it's packed with super hydrators, squalene, ceramides, omega fatty acids. This gel cream is a big, calming hug for your skin. The texture is light and fluffy, like a cloud, and absolutely heavenly. And it has a $58 value when it's 1.6 ounces. But we received half an ounce. So we received about a third, 20, 40, 60. So this is probably about $18 worth. I mean, that's close. And I can use it. Well, that's very exciting. So I will absolutely be trying this since I can use it. Let's look at the texture, see if it has a scent, that kind of thing. It's always such a bummer when it's something I can't use because I want to save it for a giveaway so I can't open it and show you guys. But look at that nice, light, fluffy texture like they talked about. Ooh, the back of my hand needed that. That feels lovely. It's an unusual scent. I don't know that it's my favorite. Nowhere near as bad as like the Dr. Brandt that we all got in our FabFitFun. Oof. Oh yeah, and it goes away. Yeah, I like that. It feels really nice on my hand. I will for sure be trying that on my face. As we hurtle toward fall, we are getting very close to when I quit messing with other moisturizers. I mess around a lot in the summer because my face is so much more moisturized in the summer that it's not as big a risk. In the fall, I start with my Lala Retro from Drunk Elephant, and I pretty much stay with it because it's something I know that I can count on that won't let my face get too dry. And once my face heads down that road of too dry, it's hard to pull it back, so I really try and stop it from happening. Okay, next out, we have the Esker Beneficial Body Care Juniper, Palmarosa, Lavender, Rose Geranium, and Grapefruit Firming Oil. So, I think it's a body oil, but it has that grapefruit in it. And doesn't everything lately seem to have either grapefruit or licorice? Why, you'll love it. Summer is the best time of year for body oils. And this particular blend delivers skin that's deeply hydrated and glowing all day long. The fresh, floral citrusy scent is energizing and pairs well with most summer fragrances. The retail price is $40 for 2 ounces. This looks like it's probably gonna be a 1 ounce bottle. It is 20 ml. I don't even think that's 1 ounce, right? Isn't 1 ounce 30 ml? I'm not sure. That is what it looks like. I am not going to open it since it has grapefruit in it and I can't use it. I want to be able to pass it along, but that's a fun product. I love body oils and I have them that I use. I have several Margot Elena and Earth Harbor ones that are my favorite. Next out, and I'm going to guess that these two go together. Yep, because they are the same brand. It's Magnitude Magnetic Liner, Eyeliner, and Magnetic Eyelashes. And I have to tell you, these lashes look doable. Can you... Oof. Here, let's open that up. Oh, and there's lash pieces too. Oh. You guys and I, we've talked about it. I've never done lashes because I just fear how bad I'm going to be at it. But that is what they look like. And what do we do with the little pieces? Just on like the outside edge so you have like a doe eye. This is from Trouvailles. So we have the lashes and the pieces. And then this was what? The magnetic line? Yeah, magnetic eyeliner. Okay. Trouvailles 9 to 5 Magnitude Magnetic Eyelashes and Magnetic Eyeliner. Why, you'll love it. There's no sticky or lumpy lash glue here. These magnetically charged falsies adhere to the accompanying magnetic liquid eyeliner, and amazingly, they stay in place all day. The lashes have just enough oomph to make your own look believably fuller, and the liner is sleek with a soft, pretty sheen. It tells you how to do the liner. You put it on, you wait 30 seconds, and then you can move it around. It doesn't talk about those little pieces. You guys let me know what we do with those little pieces. Wow, this is a retail value of $55. Oh my goodness. Last but not least, we have the Sephora Clear Skin Gel. Oh, Cleanse and Tone. I was like, okay. Clear Skin Gel. And it says, usually facial cleansers are gentle or they take off your makeup, but this gel formula is the best of both worlds. It easily removes a full face of makeup, mascara included, without any scrubbing, tugging at lashes, or post-cleanse cleanup required. The silky aloe-infused formula also leaves skin softer, clearer, and soothed. This person says it's helped clear redness and dry patches with continuous use and made a world of difference in the feel of my skin. which is much softer. With results like these, you won't want to skip a facial cleanse. That was our August Allure Beauty Box. We had the nice Tula exfoliator, the Esker body oil, these are big, the Magnitude lashes, and the magnetic eyeliner that we need to be able to put them on, the Biossance moisturizer, which felt really nice. It doesn't look, can you guys tell how shiny my hand is? It doesn't feel completely absorbed, so we'll have to see if it does that. This little Sephora cleanser and the Clear Brow Gel. Oh, and the bonus little perfume. Nailed it. Thank you so much for coming by. Let me know below, did you get this box? What did you think? Did you get a variation? I know sometimes they do slight variations in them, and I always like to hear what you guys got instead. Overall, I'm very happy with it. I'm gonna play with these. I keep saying that, I haven't done it yet. I so want to try lashes, but I have such a hooded eye and my skills, I'm just afraid of it. Thanks for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope to see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and have a great evening, guys. Bye.